Hello and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I noticed that you guys love the LED upgrade headlight kit. In today's video, I am going to be upgrading this 1999 Mercedes-Benz ML320. This process is quick and easy. Stay tuned, coming up next. Okay, once you have the hood open, the headlight is very easy to remove. There's about 3 bolts to remove them. So there is one right here, this clip. Once you have the loose, you can just lift it and pull it out towards you. And then there is 2 more screws. Once you take off this little trim piece right here underneath the headlight, there is 1 screw over here, and the other one is right there. And it's that simple. I'm gonna be doing this installation off the car. It's easier because you have more access and more clearance to remove the headlight off the car. As you can see, I've removed the headlights off the car. It's just easier and less troublesome to do this kit install outside the car versus in the car, because there's not a lot of room, for your hand behind the headlight in the car. And especially a day like today, it's a little chilly outside. It's a little easier to do them inside where climate control is a little easier. Now, for this particular install, I'm using a Hikari Eye of Megatron, and I'm not making this up. It does say right here, Eye of Megatron 87 kit. A little silly name, but oh well. Here we go. I will leave the link in the description below where to get this kit. This kit will work for 1999 to 2005 Mercedes-Benz ML320s and 350s. The one without the HID. Let me make that clear. This works for the non-HID models. The HID models are a little different setup. They have ballast, and which goes right here on the bottom of the headlight. It's just a little complicated and not worth the hassle removing ballast and wires. Just save yourself the trouble and the hassle. Just get it for non-HID models. The process is very quick. It's very simple. Once you have the headlight off, you can just, you put the bulb in, put the bulb inside. It comes with a little tiny, what looks like a ballast, which is this little transformer here, connected in, and you can fish it into the headlight, which is nice and neat. I did have to modify the factory clip because it was too narrow, and I needed clearance, clearance for the bulb to fit. So I use a Dremel tool on the side carefully. I didn't want to break the tip, and I didn't want to break the clip itself. So once you do that, it goes in perfectly. A little snug. I also got a little grommet, like a rubber seal, to put in where the bulb sits. This way, oh man, this one came off a little bit because I just moved it. So, but I can show you guys. So right here, I have a grommet. I put it in here. And this is what the bulb looks like. This is the bulb itself, very simple. It has a heat sink and it has a little fan, and you just push it in. It has to go in like this, vertical. So they recommend to put in the bulb vertical. So if you put it in, try to make sure the cable is facing down, push it in, and then you have to finagle a little bit, twist it until you get the clips in the right way on the factory harness. So you have to push down a little bit, use a little bit of force, like so, and there you go. Once both clips is catch on each side, then you can kind of twist the bulb until you can find, it finds its home, and it's, nice in order and in place. And as it's giving me a little bit of trouble, so let me just try that again. Twist the bulb here. Let me get the kit inside, like so. Push the clip in, twist, and it locks in place. Then you can just twist the bulb until it's in a nice, snug fit position. Take this little ballast, fish it in, and you can put the factory cover back on, dust cover. Once you put the factory cover back on, it's going to look like this. Nice and neat and clean and clear. You put it back in the car. There's no wires dangling or anything like that. So, and this is one of the best and easiest upgrade you could do in any car. But in this particular instance, this is being done on a 1999 Mercedes-Benz ML320, but it works from 99 to 2005 ML320s and 350s, because at one point the car changed names from 320 to 350s. This particular car is a 99 with 2005 headlights that I upgraded a long time ago, and they had HIDs on them, but the HIDs died and they got a little, dim, and so LED technology is a little better and faster. There's no waiting for warm up and everything. You just turn it on and it comes right on. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's very simple. It's very easy. Not that hard to do. Very inexpensive. I will leave the link in the description below of where to get this kit. And I will show you guys what it looks like.